Okay, you finished your design, you've selected it, you clicked export, and you're ready to click STL. As soon as you click STL, you will see a little pop-up that says show in folder. If you click on it right away before it disappears, it'll open up this window where it will show your file on your Chromebook. My file is called Mr. West Keychain, so there it is, I see it right there. Go ahead and take your USB, insert it into your Chromebook, and then you'll see it pop up right down here. There it is. All I have to do is take my file, click, and drag it into the USB. It says right here, complete. If you want to check it just to be sure, you can click on the USB, and there it is right there. Now, you safely remove it by clicking that button. You can remove your USB, and you can head over to the computer so you can slice it.